Welcome to a world where nature meets practicality. Today, we explore the power of baking soda, a simple yet effective solution, against common household pests like ants, cockroaches, spiders, and mice. Imagine a home free from these unwelcome guests without the harsh chemicals. Many homeowners have tried various pest control methods, only to find them ineffective or laden with chemicals. But what if there was a natural alternative? Enter baking soda. This humble kitchen staple is not just for baking, it's a powerful ally in your fight against pests. Let's hear from Sarah, a homeowner who faced an ant invasion. I sprinkled baking soda along their trails, and within days, the ants were gone, she shares. The secret lies in baking soda's ability to disrupt the pest's internal systems, leading to their demise. For cockroaches, mix baking soda with sugar and place it in strategic spots. The sugar lures them in, while the baking soda does the rest. And for spiders, a simple dusting around entry points can keep them at bay. Mice, too, are no match. Combine baking soda with flour and sugar to create a bait that's both irresistible and deadly. These testimonials highlight a shared experience among homeowners seeking natural solutions. Baking soda is not just effective, it's a testament to the power of nature. So, why rely on chemicals when a natural remedy is within reach? Embrace the simplicity and effectiveness of baking soda and reclaim your home today. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural home solutions. Together, we can create a healthier, pest-free environment.